Thanks to all our volunteers. Thanks to the Outlet Center for letting us borrow their parking lot. As usual, it was a close race, so our judging is all people's choice. So all day long, everyone's been voting. And we're going to start with third place. Third place goes to Roadhouse 101.
Wow, congratulations, Brian.
Congratulations, stay right here. We're going to have some photos.
To Roadhouse 101, everybody.
And Roadhouse is a Lincoln City business. Yay! I'd also like to acknowledge their brewery is here, Rusty Truck. They've been selling delicious, locally crafted beers. So second place, one of our winners last year. How about Tiki's? Come on up, Julia. It's so close. So first place, this is the biggie. First place, back from a few years ago, how about the Pelican Pub and Brewery? Come on up, Jed. Congratulations. It's close. All right, so we have a few more, one more award. The mayor would like to, do you want to come on up or you want me to hand you? There's stairs over here. And I'll let you describe how you picked your award this year.
Great turnout. Thank you all for coming. The Mayor's Award is really just a little award just to say thank you for being here and expressing the spirit of the event. And so in that vein, our winner this year is Tiki's.